Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI A3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. And tap on one of these themes. Name it, click OK Creative. And over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change round style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size and many other things. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, tap on one of these sources like photos. Select the photo, adjust it, and click at the top right corner. Select Create, and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, click Set Wallpaper at the top right corner, and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. As you can see, my edges were successfully applied, but if you want to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Then click Yes. Over here, click on the switcher and go back. Sometimes you have to go back into the app, so I will do that right now. Select Home again and tap on the same switcher. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!